All right, everybody, we're back. We have here my personal overpowered H17 new graphics kit that we put on. Rob Warden designed it. We're running an 1800 SMC pack. I pulled it back a little bit because she was wagging the tail when she was driving earlier, so meaning she was driving like this. So we pulled back the battery just a little bit to weight the transom down, and all right, let's give it one last look. Oh, boom, yes. Ha. Ha. There you go. All right, we're tracking. All right, so we're not here for speed. We're here to check the crab walking and see if we can remedy that. She's turning nice. Still crab walking. Turning much better. Bunch of crap in the water, guys. Yeah, we need to go up on that strut a little bit, but I don't think we can. Oh, watch out for that glass bottle. I don't think we can go up on the strut, guys. I think I might need to file it. Well, she's running much better, guys, though. Much better. She's tracking straight. It's about 3/4 throttle right there, guys. I'm happy with that. Taking those turns, running these laps. It's a little harder to dial in this boat with the left mounted rudder, but look at her, she's taking that turn beautifully. Oh. This 1214 prop takes a second to load up, but once it does, it bones out. I don't want to hit these damn buoys. Whoa, hit something over there, guys. Ugh. Wow. So filthy. Oh, come on. Seriously? All right. Almost hit that buoy. Battery's dead. Whoo! All right, guys, let's wipe her off and take her back to the car. Pretty dry, guys, pretty dry. Pretty dry, cannot complain. For the amount of plowing we did, I think that's fine. I mean, that's a good amount of water, but we plowed for a while. We had to bring it back a couple times, so we'll let her dry off. All right, everybody. So it's a new day here, and we came to do some more testing. So as you can see in the background, the conditions are not that great for this small of a boat, but we're going to start today off with a new prop. So let's see how she did. Spoiler alert, she sucked. All right, everybody, we are back here at the Sewer Lake, and we have the modified H17 with a 2845 Leopard, and I just popped on this Octura 1735. Yep, 3517 Octura. Move the battery back a little bit. We'll see. We had this tuned really for the 3-blade, so we'll see how this is going right now. Oh, I didn't even notice that, guys. All right. Give ourselves a little tight in there so it doesn't come up on us. It's a little low, but we'll move it right now. And obviously, well, at least he's going back to the dock, so it should calm down for a second. Usually pretty much every time I come out here, the lifeguard starts doing his spins. Gonna keep it close real quick, just kind of want to see what she's doing. She's very front heavy. Alright. Ooh, this prop wants to go. Come on. As soon as we come here, it gets all wavy. Well, I can barely touch the throttle with this prop. All right, we got water cooling though. Can literally barely touch the throttle. Bouncing everywhere, guys. Oh, landed at least. He's tracking pretty straight, guys. He's bouncing all over the place though. Didn't land that one. Didn't land that one. Pay attention, Coby. Not paying attention. I think gotta go up again with that strut. I filed the Alright guys, we're out of the water, back at the car. We're gonna swap a prop. We're gonna go back to the 12-14 that we were running earlier. This prop needs to load up a bit. Oh, she's so much better in the turns with it. Ah, Coby, come on, bro. Prop takes a second to load up, as usual. Running good. Running good. Running really stable with this 3-blade. Every time I talk. Every time I talk. Taking my eyes off of her, I'm looking at the planes flying in the sky. Oh, exactly, see? That sucked. That totally sucked. All right, guys, back at the car. That totally sucked. Very disappointing run. But we'll try it again soon. Our temps are good, so... couple drops of water. We can swap a battery and try it again, but we'll let her cool off for a minute. And then now we can push that battery further forward. But that will probably give us a little bit of oversteer. So we'll have to deal with that. All right guys, I won't keep you long. That's pretty much it. We got the crane over there trying to steal my rescue boat. Trying to kill turtles. I don't know. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in.